The Bhog is served to Krishna. The Bhog is served to Krishna. In such earthen pots, you are telling that is a filth. How it is actually not correct? What is the Yoga Dharma of Satya Yoga? So at least these are all the basic things, Professor Mataji, we all have to know, including kids. Why kids are made to sit in Bhagavad Gita class and not separate class? This is the reason. We discuss so many important things, especially for Bhagavad Gita. Each and everyone should know. Right? Treta what happened? Ramayana happened. You remember Dasharatha? What was that? Dasharatha, what was that? Putrakameshti Yagam. Right? So Putrakameshti, it's a type of yajna. Yagam. Right? He was not, Dasharatha Maharaj did not go to forest and he sat and did not meditate. Mano jantulage badutamo, jantulage chastam. There is no difference between animal and a human. So the sole purpose of being born as a human will be completely lost. Any janma tarvata manu manishi janma vachindandi. After how many lives, human life we got it? Total how many species? 8.4 million species. Sir, imagine, each species, in each form of species, you see, we were actually probably flies also in our past life. We don't know.